2, 2020, the President of the Republic of Serbia and the Supreme Commander of the Serbian Armed Forces, Aleksandar Vučić, accompanied by the Minister of Defense Aleksandar Vulin and the Chief of the General Staff of the Serbian Armed Forces, General Milan Mojsilović, visited members of the 3rd Missile Battalion of the 250th Air Defense Missile Brigade in TE, Major Milan Tepic Barracks in Jakovo. This unit is now equipped with Russian-made Pantsir self-propelled anti-aircraft gun and missile (SPAAGM) system. In March 2020, Serbian President Aleksandar Vučić has announced that Russia has completed the deliveries of the Pantsir S-1, NATO reporting name SA-22 Greyhound self-propelled anti-aircraft gun missile (SPAAGM) systems to Serbia. According to our analysis of pictures released on the official website of the Serbian Ministry of Defense, the Pantsir delivered to Serbia is the Pantsir S-2. Serbia's head did not detail the number of the Pantsir S-1 systems that had been supplied to the country's military. However, Belgrade is known to have procured an SA-22 battery, which traditionally comprises 6 combat vehicles. On October 24, 2019, Vučić said Belgrade had ordered the Pantsir. The first 2 systems were delivered to Batajnica Air Base on February 22. The Serbian crews had been trained to operate the Greyhound prior to the shipping of the first batch of the SPAAGMs to the country. Serbia has announced an intention to base the National Air Defense System on the Pantsir. According to the Military Balance 2019 book issued by the London-based International Institute for Strategic Studies (IISS), the Serbian MOD has deployed 86 2K12 Kub SA-6 gainful self-propelled medium-range surface-to-air missile (SAM) systems, 6 S-125 Pekora SA-3 Goa medium-range stationary SAM systems, 12 9K31M Strela 1M SA-9 Gascon, and 5 9K35M Strela 10M SA-13 Gopher short-range air defense systems, and some 9K31OIGLA-1 Silo SA-16 Gimlet man-portable air defense systems. Today, Pantsir is one of the most popular short-range air defense systems which is in service with many countries all over the world. The armament of Pantsir S-1 consists of 12 5.7E6 surface-to-air guided missiles and 2 2A38M 30mm automatic guns developed from the 2-barrel 30mm GSH-30 gun. It is provided with a multi-range radar capable of detecting aerial targets with an effective surface of dispersion of up to 2 to 3 square meters at a distance of more than 30 kilometers and track them down from a distance of over 24 kilometers. The Pantsir air defense system delivered to Serbia is the Pantsir S-2, an upgraded version of the Pantsir S-1 which incorporates new SOTS S-band search radar to increase the detection range from 36 km to over 40 km. It uses the same missile launcher and anti-aircraft cannons as the Pantsir S-1. The Pantsir S-2 uses a KAM-AZ 6568X8 truck chassis. There is a 2-man cab at the front of the truck chassis. The truck is motorized with KAM-AZ 740.35-400 turbocharged diesel engine, developing 400 horsepower. The truck has a total weight of 14,850 kilograms and can run at a maximum speed of 90 kilometers with a maximum cruising range of 800 kilometers.